Honor and respect to you, family. We're here again for another video. I pray that you had a wonderful day and pray that you will have a beautiful day regardless. Today I'm just gonna have like, I'll say maybe 2 minutes at the most. Today we're talking about Haitian Flag Day. It's Haitian Flag Day today, and I have to say my heart is heavy. Based on the situation that is taking place back home, based on all this drama, it's painful. It's painful. It hurts. It hurts to understand that just the idea to know that today's Haitian Flag Day and yet we are still in this chaos that we are in today. It is hard. It is heartbreaking. It's like it hurts a lot. You know, I'll say my hats off to everyone who are celebrating today, raising their flags. It is beautiful, but also many of you just, flashing the flag, but are missing a lot about, you know, what really gave us this flag. We went to hell to have this flag today. So it's not only just have a flag, it's more than that. And I hope you guys know that the reason why we had this flag was because our ancestors did what they had to do. Our ancestors knew who they were. Our ancestors value their divine existence, and through the divine existence, through their harmony with with nature, with the cosmos, they were able to make the impossible and to seek freedom, not only for themselves but to help others to seek their freedom as well. So not only they set themselves free, but they also help others find their freedom. I hope many of you can understand what that means and think different of who we are. Again, honor and respect, that's who we are.